you doing, Catherine? Are you looking at the birds? She's been over here for a while. She went really quiet. I didn't know where she was at. Then I came over here and I saw her. She's just watching the birds outside. Do you like the birds? They come to say hello. We are on our way to Home Depot to go get Catherine
Baby birder.
a bird feeder.
Bird feeder, that's what I meant.
She loves watching the birds outside, so we thought we'd get her a bird feeder. Gotta get in your car.
She was asleep in the car. She fell asleep.
We have found the bird feeders.
Yeah, we did. Done. Ooh. Want Catherine food?
Okay, I think you have to make sure all these are shut.
Let me get a measure cup. You're eating my pie!
Scott decided to take a big chunk out of it last night.
And I'm an adult.
How about we just pour it in?
Catherine's in my house.
I can do it. Here.
Oh, got it. I got it. Okay.
Yay!
So can we plant these and will it make new food for?
I think that's how it works.
I like it. Okay, well we'll plant that later. Real garden in the back. Opa cavalinho. Where do we put it?
We're gonna put it outside. Go sit at the birdie house with Daddy. Put him back. Come on, put him back. She's so happy that she got into the drawer, but she's helping me put him back. Thank you. Close it. Oh, good girl. You guys are gonna go put the birdhouse up.
Come on.
Okay, come on, little girl. Let's go put the birdie house up.
Sure.
It's gonna be cold. It's supposed to snow today.
Ah, cold. Golly, cold.
Ah. Put it up in this, right up in this area. I think that might be too heavy.
I'll fall off while I do that one.
This one might break. Oh.
Kazam!
Oh wait, we gotta open the holes.
Oh yeah. Come birdies, your food awaits. Ah, Catherine, you're not a bird. What are you doing? Stop it. I don't know her. She's not. I don't know her.
She helped spill the birdie food on the ground.
She did. Good job.
Good job, little girl. Okay, let's go inside. It's cold.
Who sees the birdies? We put our bird feeder right up there. It's in red. And Catherine loves it. The birds figured out that there's food now. And so they love us. They're coming. She couldn't see from down there, so we gave her a better vantage point.
Did you guys also notice how much snow we have?
Yeah, like the whole city's shut down. Hi.